It's early morning. I'm out and about here on US Highway 276 in the Pisgah National Forest. Join me. Let's see what we get into today. Well, good morning, YouTube. Van Camp and Woody here. I know you can hear the noise in the back. Got up early, day 3 here, the Pisgah National Forest, and I'll come out here and get a quick shot of this. This is US Highway 276. I'm at Looking Glass Falls. Pretty good steep trail down there. There's no way I can make it down there with my knees the way they are. But I wanted y'all to see it. Yesterday was a rain out day. But it cleared up this morning. Nice, it's 55 degrees. It's a nice cool morning. Okey doke. We'll catch y'all at the next stop. But you didn't know he's gonna do that. But there he is, Nebo, right here beside Avery Creek, where we've been camping. We've been for the last 3 days. Yesterday, like I said in an earlier video, was a washout. But I'll show y'all the creek. There's people coming by, you know. And I got a correction, there's a total of 10 roadside marked camping spots on Avery Creek Road. And I will tell you all about it in my, at the end of this video here. Today's my day of getting out, exploring. We then went camping. Rainy day, I drove into at the gate down there where State Route 280 and 276 come together. So, y'all to see it. Nice out here. It's been cool since I've been here, but it's done got cooler since the rain come through yesterday. I'll tell y'all more about it. Catch you on the other side. Well, I decided to show y'all some more of the camping area in there closer to the campground. Hope you liked the video. If you do, share it. Thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you all. Hope you enjoyed the video. More to come. Thanks for watching.